To set up Monday.com board settings, start by logging into your Monday.com account and navigating to the board you want to configure. The board settings are located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the three dots and select Board Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Board Settings menu, you will see several options including board name, description, and permissions. Start by editing the board name and description to provide a clear understanding of the board's purpose and content. Next, configure the permissions settings to determine who can view, edit, and manage the board. You can choose from various permission levels, including viewer, editor, and administrator, and assign them to individual users or teams. Another important setting is the board layout, which allows you to customize the layout of your board to suit your specific needs. You can choose from various layout options, including a table, calendar, or map view. Additionally, you can set up notifications to alert team members of changes, updates, or deadlines. You can customize the notification settings to suit your team's needs, including the frequency and type of notifications. To further customize your board, you can add custom columns, which allow you to track specific data points, such as task status, priority, or due date. You can also add automations, which enable you to automate repetitive tasks and workflows. Best practices for setting up Monday.com board settings include keeping the board name and description concise and clear, assigning permissions carefully to ensure data security, and regularly reviewing and updating the board settings to ensure they remain relevant and effective. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up Monday.com board settings that meet your specific needs and help you manage your workflows and projects more efficiently.